19th, November the 19th, pre-market show. Looking at a week open, I have SPYs opening below S1 yet above S2. Okay, so all right, let's just get right into the upgrades, downgrades. I'll tell you what I'm looking at here. Upgrade by Oppenheimer from perform to outperform. Those party animals over at Solar Fun. Price target of 10, currently at $6.60. You can see this little guy. And I play this one, guys. I tell you what, I do play it. That's the target, followed by this guy, and then followed by this guy. So I'd say intraday, currently at 660. You could get this thing up to I don't know, 680, maybe $7. That's not bad. All right, let's see. I also noticed this coverage initiated market perform by JMP Securities. Two real estate companies, SLG, which is SL Green Realty, and Boston Properties, BXP. So I would look to see if we have strength in IYR, and we do. That's actually hanging on that 8-period moving average. I'm looking for actually have an alert set when IYR hits this double top right here, and I'll go into that someday when that happens. All right, so we are looking at a week opening, so I want to look at those stocks that are getting killed the most. GNK, which has been on the move to the upside, is now down over 5%. Intel, I don't trade it, but down 3.5%. Okay, now, and Texas Instruments. So look for weakness in semiconductors. Texas Instruments 3.5%. Egg stock CF. Yesterday was running into that 50-period simple, and now these guys are off 2.9%. It basically ran into congestion as well. Okay, yeah. So this is a place where people that were up here and weren't smart enough to get out of it, just their automatic sell orders, they're just selling it. Alpha Natural Resources off 2.2%. I'm not going to bring up that chart. Dries, like GNK, is off minus almost 2%. And that's any of the big ones. Win off 1.36. Let's take a look at Win. These guys are always in play every day. And Win back down to the 50 simple, and the stochastic starting to roll off. Actually, I'll tell you, I think if Win, if we give up these moving averages, this candle right here, the date on this that comes into play on the downside, that's a low of $60.20 from October the 22nd. October the 22nd. Let's see, who else is? I think that's about it for that. Let's look at some upside. I got, let's see, these guys report earnings today. Yeah, they did. Sears, SHLD. And Sears actually, wow, this is interesting. I just want to see if they push up. Yeah, if they push up out of that, then they got some fairly smooth sailing. So let me expand this to the left also. Let's see, extend both ways. Yeah. So keep an eye on Sears to the upside. Of course, the tape is looking bad right now. So get that one on your list, though. And of course, we brought up Solar Fun. I see the SKF is up 1.23% in the pre-market, and the dollar, the UUP, is up 1/3%. And that's about it for my upside, guys. There's not a whole lot going on here. I'm going to take a look at the futures. Down to that 1098.50 level. which is a pretty strong line. I'm going to go 10-day, 10-minute, and you'll see that that has been a strong line. Let me see. I have that's nearly S2 on the futures. I have S2 at 1096.67, and right now they seem to be pushing up towards the. I would imagine they might get up to I don't know, 1102.50 would be the target here before the opening bell. Pivot would be 1106.50ish. These are Rodney pivots, special pivots that I use. It's true. But they should be fairly in line with yours. I don't know. I think the actual line on the upside is 1103.25, and the line on the downside is 1098.50. Okay, so I think that's it. I think that's it for the pre-market stuff, and I'll see you guys at the open.